Hi friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Sports and Nutrition. It is the chapter number 2 of Physical Education book of class 12. First question. List two sources of calcium. Answer. Milk and egg are the two sources of calcium. Next question. List two sources of iron. Answer. Egg and meat are the two sources of iron. Next question. What do you mean by food intolerance? Answer. Food intolerance means a particular food item which is not suitable for the body. Next question. What are the two sources of fat? Answer. Plants and animals are the two sources of fat. Next question. What do you mean by micronutrients? Answer. These are the nutrients which are required in less amount by the body. Next question. What do you mean by macronutrients? Answer. These are the nutrients which are required in large amount by the body. Next question. What are vitamins? Answer. Vitamins are the carbonic compound which are required in less amount, but they are essential for the body. Next question. What are nutritive component of diet? Answer. Nutritive component of diet are protein, vitamin, carbohydrate, fat. Next question. What are non-nutritive component of diet? Answer. Non-nutritive component of diet are water, fiber, flavor compound, color compound, and plant compound. Next question. What is the difference between food allergy and food intolerance? Answer. Food allergy affect the immune system of the body, whereas food intolerance affect the digestive system of the body. Next question. What is fat? Answer. Fats are energy booster which give twice as much energy as carbohydrate gives. Next question. Why fat is necessary in food? Answer. Fats are necessary in food as it keep us warm and help in production of hormone. Next question. Why vitamins are necessary? Answer. Vitamins are necessary as it protect us from various diseases and it is essential for growth and development of the body. Next question. Briefly explain the function and sources of 3 fat soluble vitamin. Answer. 4 fat soluble vitamin are vitamin A. It help in improving eyes health. Source of vitamin A are milk, meat, green leafy vegetable, etc. Vitamin D. It is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Source of vitamin D are sunlight, egg, butter, etc. Vitamin E. It help in improving heart health. Source of vitamin E are ghee, oil, etc. Vitamin K. It regulate the clotting of blood. Source of vitamin K are cauliflower, cabbage, etc. Next question. What are vitamins and how many type of vitamin are there? Answer. Vitamin are carbonic compound which are required in less amount but are essential for the body. Vitamin is of 2 types, water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamin is of 2 types, vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B is of many types such as vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9 and vitamin B12. Vitamin B1 to 3 help in nourishing the nervous system. Vitamin B5 help in making hormones. Vitamin B6 improve blood circulation. Vitamin B7 help in keeping skin, nail, hair healthy. Vitamin B9 and B12 help in fertility. Next question. Describe nutritive component of diet. Answer. Nutritive component of diet are protein hyphen. It is important for the growth and development. It is found in pulses. It is a bodybuilding food. Carbohydrate. It gives us energy. If we eat 1 gram of carbohydrate, then we get 4 calories of energy. Fat hyphen. It is a energy booster. It gives us energy. It gives us energy twice as much as carbohydrate gives. If we eat 1 gram of fat, then we get 9 calories of energy. Vitamin hyphen. Vitamins are the carbonic compound which are required in less amount, but they are essential for the body. Vitamin is of two types: water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Next question. Describe the non-nutritive component of diet. Answer. Non-nutritive component of diet are water hyphen. It is an important part of our life. Without water, we cannot survive for long. Flavor compound hyphen. It provide flavor to the food. Fiber hyphen. It is helpful in all the functions of the body. Color compound hyphen. It gives color to the food. Plant compound hyphen. Some plant compound are used as food. Next question. Define the term food myth. Answer. Food myth is a legendary story about food with or without a determinable basis of fact. Next question. Name some food myth. Answer. Some food myths are: exercise make you to eat more, packed food is fat free, egg increases cholesterol level, etc.